everybody! My name is Kati and this is my channel. Welcome everybody to watch what happens in my lifestyle video. What's the weather? It's on August and summer is continuing. Weather is changing. Today we are activating a crown chakra, blending the 7th chakra smoothie. Where live our brains? A head chakra is dealing with thinking and everything. Bon appetit! There lies living, wiseness and abilities. Welcome everybody to watch this food short movie. Ingredients are in this juice: 0.5 liter high bush blueberries, 6 plums, 2 nectarines, herbs and greens, something sweet like honey, tall container and a glass. We wash, cut, remove seeds and blend. Blender. The crown chakra color is purple. Fruits and berries, the nearer than better. Can we introduce you the festing chevelliset? It may support the crown chakra also. Including amethyst stone energy. Garden flowers cheer us up. Late summer climate landscape. Brains may work better than ever. At the kitchen, we cover a blending place. The smoothie is full of joyful bioenergy. In the end, we throw herbs in. They may be arugula, salad leaves, basil, and so on. Breeding lilac energy. The festing jävelliset may open your crown chakra. And has a pink rose quartz to support heart chakra also. Purple flower power. Good taste and works. We feel better and brain function are recycling normally. Then we pour the healthy juice to a glass. And decorate it. With a slice of plum and a branch of herb. We love it. Tumors may melt away. We feel more sensitive and brave. I feel young. This crown chakra fruit has multivitamins and fiber, which give good vibes. There are many powerful chakra stones in the festing jävelliset. Thank you for watching. We hope you love the video and we hope you share or enjoy to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Wise man says, you are what you eat. Please join, order and share our channel. See you on our next and previous movies. Bye bye. Welcome to our YouTube channel to Kati makinen8 The script, photographs, the idea, poems and videos by Kati Makinen. Welcome everybody to our Instagram page to #Kati.makinen8. Thank you.